Hey campers, welcome third graders to our activity 1, the balloon powered car. So for our first step, we're going to take out the base. The bottom of the base has writing on it. So you're going to take your 2 paper straws and tape them to the back of each slot on the bottom of your base.
And you want to put this one in front of the holes on the bottom. And then you want to put the second one right behind the holes on the bottom. And if you have too much, you can wrap it around.
Next step, you're going to take your 2 wooden sticks and stick them in the hole of the straws. This is going to act as your axle, since we're studying simple machines. After that is done, you can take your wheels and stick them on the car, making sure there's space left on the stick. It should now roll. After this, you can flip your car back over. And you can insert your straw into the balloon, which we have already done. Also, rubber banding it.
Then you want to tape the balloon on the straw to the back so that the straw's hanging off a little where you can blow into it. And then you just take the weight, whichever weight you want, and you just stick it towards the front of the car. And then you have your car, and you can blow up a balloon.
Oh, where'd he go?
So just make sure to send us your videos, and if you want to, you can decorate the sides and add them on, and just show us your pictures and videos of the car that you made. See you next time.